Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, I open Google Play Store, open any app. Okay. Now I try to rotate my phone. What will happen? See here, screen is also rotated. If you would like to stop this screen rotation, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the notification area and you will find here auto rotate option. This icon, just tap on it and your phone icon will now change it to portrait. Okay, auto rotate is changed to portrait. Okay, now go to the same app and try to rotate your phone. Now screen will not be rotated because it is turned off. Okay, auto rotate is turned off. It is fixed in portrait position. Okay, suppose if you would like to get auto rotation, what you have to do is again go to the notification area and click on the portrait and it will turn to auto rotate. Now come to the app and try to rotate your phone. Screen will be rotated. In the landscape itself also you can do it. Okay, now this is the landscape position and if you would like to stop auto rotation from landscape to portrait, yes, you can do it. Just click on auto rotate in the notification area here and it will now turn to landscape. Okay, because your phone is initially fixed in landscape position. Okay, now your phone screen will not be rotated from landscape to portrait. Try it now. See here, I rotate from landscape to portrait but screen is not rotated. Okay, so in this way you can easily do stopping auto screen rotation in your phone. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.